Cow dung fertilizer is a traditional and most beneficial fertilizer if used correctly, and in this video we will see a safe and an easy way of using cow dung, and that is using the cow dung cakes. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Cow dung is simply the cow's poop that is not dried yet, but the cow dung cakes are the dried form of cow dung, and it is useful because it's dried and have lesser nitrogen, which is beneficial because so much nitrogen like in fresh cow dung is harmful due to excessive heat, and that's why dried cow dung is more safe and useful. Simply put the fresh cow dung in the sun and it will dry out in such a form, and now you can use it as a cow dung cake. Using cow dung cake have several benefits you must know about. The first benefit of cow dung fertilizer is that it has lesser nitrogen, which means it won't burn the roots when applied. And the whole process of making cow dung compost is also lowering the nitrogenous heat, so cow dung cakes have lesser heat than fresh cow dung. Another benefit of cow dung cake is that it absorbs better in the roots. The nutrients will mix with the water and get into the plant with the same water. If applied correctly, cow dung cakes absorbs much better than the fresh cow dung. Another benefit is that it's a slow release fertilizer, means the nutrients will gradually break down in the soil and get into the plant. This provides a consistent nutrition to the plant that is super useful. So do subscribe for more such videos. Another use of cow dung cakes is that it promotes foliar growth on the plant. It's enriched in nitrogen, which is responsible for the leafy growth of the plant. So again, cow dung fertilizer is very useful. Another benefit of using cow dung is about the micronutrient it has. Cow dung along with the nitrogen also have a wide range of trace elements, and these nutrients are very useful in so many ways, like avoiding several leaf problems, promoting better growth, making the fruit, flowers and vegetables bigger, brighter and healthier. Overall, without these trace elements, no plant can grow well. With so many benefits of cow dung cakes, applying it correctly and in a proper dose is the key thing to get most out of it, and also it avoids the side effects of cow dung, so listen carefully. The first way to use cow dung cakes is to crush them into such a powder form and apply a small dose to the soil. The ideal dose will be 4 to 5 tablespoons for an 8 to 10 inches pot, and increase or decrease the dose with the pot size. You can also buy dried cow dung powder from the description box link. Now mix it properly with the soil. You can use cow dung powder every 2 weeks in the winters, but don't add too much in the hot summers. It's better to avoid in hot summers. And water frequently after applying it so it will be absorbed properly. Best time to apply cow dung would be a cool evening. Another easy way to use cow dung cakes is to make a liquid fertilizer out of it. It's even safer because of better absorption and lesser nitrogenous content. Simply soak the cakes in a liter of water for at least 1 to 2 nights. When the cakes settles down in the water, that means now it's ready to use. Dilute this liquid with 8 parts of more water, and then you can use this cow dung liquid fertilizer on any of your plants. Make sure the soil is dry and add 100 ml of this into a 5 inches of pot and double the dose for a bigger container. Best time to apply this would be evening or early morning. You can use this over the whole year whenever you like. It's totally safe to use. To learn in depth about cow dung compost tea, you can follow the description box video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can use cow dung cakes following a right method on any of your plants. Either it's a flowering plant, fruiting tree, a seasonal vegetable or a leafy house plant, a cacti or a succulent. Just follow proper dosage and don't use too much. Here are some key points to follow strictly while using cow dung. Never use cow dung on a small seedling until it's 1 month old. Never use cow dung in the hot summers and in a sunny day. Best time is a cool evening along with the proper method. Frequent use of cow dung fertilizer can cause leaf burnings, so be careful. The best form of cow dung to use anytime on any plant without the hazards of any kind is the cow dung compost. You can decompose the cow dung cakes and then use this resulted compost into your plants. Here is a detailed video to learn how to make cow dung compost at home if you like to watch, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.